What's up, Ashland? This is Dragon Master. I'm gonna be trying what's in this thing?
The jalapeno pizza roll.
Jalapeno pizza roll. And me and Darth Gamer B are gonna make our own channel, and we're going to be doing skits. If I throw up, it's your fault.
You got a few seconds.
Is it hot? Is it disgusting?
Mm.
It's not that bad. It's good for stuff. No water.
It's supposed to be hot.
Does that? Somebody lit me up. Just don't ever go on a funny. We learned that today.
Is it supposed to be hot?
I mean, would you like one? It has bread on it.
Is it supposed to
I
be
have
hot?
bread. What is that?
An egg McMuffin.
An egg McMuffin.
Is it supposed to be hot?
Mm-hmm.
It's not hot. But then again, I have had a pinky of the world's hottest sauce
I've tried a ghost pepper
with a
before.
tiny piece of
That
ghost
burned my
pepper.
mouth. I started tearing.
I had some.
Can you not hear this? I don't eat spicy shit.
I've had
And
a.
Erica knows that she fed me one on purpose.
I've had a small ghost pepper and a pinky and
You didn't tell me what was in it.
a pinky of the world's hottest sauce. It has a horse on it.
Okay.
I got the volume ones.
Okay.
Like the world's hottest sauce has a horse on it. I forgot what it was called. Something devil. Something devil.
Guess what?
But I've had a pinky of that, and I've had a small
Depends on mine too.
what's the name of the world's hottest pepper? Ghost pepper. I've had a tiny ghost pepper.
Carolina Reaper.
Carolina Reaper.
Oh.
It is.
I've had a small hottest pepper in the world, and I've also had a pinky of the world's hottest sauce. The only thing that happened was
Anybody
me.
want to say the top?
The only thing that happened was me sweating, and they put me into their meat freezer.
You want another piece?
And I had
one of those. Okay.
and I had 3 gallons of milk.
Okay.
I had that big, the world's hottest pepper, and a very tiny pinky. And I was in their meat freezer for 2 hours, and I drank 5 gallons of milk. And I was still crying.
Is that a cutie? Mm-hmm. Mine. No, I was really
Well, I swear, that chicken smells like my aunt's chicken.
Which one? Erica's?
Well, that was
I'm telling you.
a video of me trying a
eating my grandma's
jalapeno
cooking?
pizza drop, whatever.
Am I cooking?
A pizza gummy, whatever. That was me trying a pizza gummy with jalapeno.
No, I can cook.
Did you say pizza gummy?
Yeah.
It's a pizza roll.
Pizza roll, same thing. They're both chewable. Ooh, I'll take those.
I just want to do it.
And me and Darth Gamer B will be making our own channel, and we will be doing skits. That's all for today. There's a K sister, and what's your channel name?
Michaela Rose.
And I'm Michaela. Ooh.
Take them.
I don't.
There's a big box right
I bet
Get
you
up like a
missed.
lady, put my back away.
Fail. Deuces.